Well, hello there. Welcome to Dashcam Lessons. Before we get into it, I notice only a small portion of you guys who watch are currently subscribed. So if you like my content and would like to know when a new video comes out, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Be the best decision you've ever made. Now let's get into it.
Thermal image in your roofs, probably about. You fucking dickhead! You nearly had your car wiped out then.
Fucking hell, what happened?
Somebody pulled straight out of me at top of Ladybrook. I was doing 30 miles an hour. That's not CA, 11 ALD. CA, 11 ALD. It's a great alley. It's right full side of then.
I didn't even see you coming.
I got my lights. I was doing 30 miles an hour.
I saw no lights whatsoever.
What do you mean no lights?
I didn't see them. That's what I'm saying. I didn't see
You didn't
them.
even stop. You didn't even put your brakes on.
Why would I stop if I didn't see you?
Are you stupid?
Well,
I'm reporting you. I will do.
that's fine. That's fine.
You can't not say you didn't see me. You've got to think about what you.
What the fuck was that? Pull over, John. Whoa! Whoa! Fucking idiot. What are you doing?
Fucking knobhead.
Fucking hell, you fucking idiot! You fucking wanker!
okay?
Yeah,
What's going on with your driving then?
my driving's alright.
Sorry? Your driving's alright?
Yes.
You just overtake us at speed and you're all over the shop.
No,
No.
that's your opinion.
Well, it's not an opinion because you're on camera. Out you get. Out.
Yeah, give me a second.
Beg your pardon.
Shall I turn on?
Yes,
Turn off
please.
this?
You nearly hit us.
That's your opinion. I've got the camera. Oh, Jesus! Get out, Keith.